Hi, so welcome to DCA. So in this video, we'll be talking about important page numbers. I repeat, important page numbers of class 10th NCERT, which is quite relevant for CDS exam. Those who are aspiring for CDS, CAPF might get benefit from this session. I'm sure that you might have gone through the basic textbooks, that is NCERT. You might have prepared yourself as well, right? आपने कुछ practice set भी किए होंगे, बिल्कुल किए होंगे. I'm just trying to add you a reference page number. Okay, please note down, right? This is important from where the questions can be easily framed as per UPSC standard. So what exactly UPSC standard and what exactly UPSC tries to frame it out? If you look upon the CDS previous question, when there was a question which was going on across the social media as a meme, in which the CDS has asked, compound Gandhiji used in Dandi March, somewhat like this. So that in fact the picture is mentioned in page number 29 of class 10th NCERT book, that is chemistry topic, acid base salt वाले में, right? So ये बात यहाँ से prove जरूर होती है, ऐसे बहुत example हैं that more or less the questions are from the basic reference book for sure. So I try to compile, right? जैसे we take classes for that, तो classes में तो चलो पूरी की पूरी chapter discussions होती है, questions are there, mock tests are there, etc. और booklets are there, booklets में हम पूरी detail में करते हैं. This video is helpful if you are preparing at home and you have prepared and you want to have a finishing touch, you want to be confident, you want to verify that are you really okay with this CDS pattern. So I have mentioned the chapter name. This is in accordance with the new NCERT. जो नई NCERT की बुक है, if you don't have that, you can download it from the ncert.nic.in website. Authentic website पे जाएं, class 10th NCERT chapter wise download होगी या पूरी बुक भी download आप कर सकते हो, right? This is chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये पहले 5 चैप्टर है, that is in class 10th NCERT I mentioned, right, which is from the chemistry section. So in this session, actually in this video we are discussing which page number of class 10th NCERT are important as per chemistry perspective. Now why chemistry is relevant? Because on an average, if you talk about the weightage, that is around 8 to 9 questions in CDS. Approximately 25 questions are there from the science section. Sometimes it is 23, sometimes it is 27 as well, right? So out of 8, amongst this chapter which I have mentioned, the first 5, there will be a minimum of 2 to 3 questions, right? I will be giving you the page number. So what are the name of the chapter? That is chemical reaction, acid base in the new NCERT, right? Metal, non-metal, carbon compound, periodic classification. Out of this, the most important is this one, acid, base and salt. Very important. In each and every UPSC exam there is one question. The second is metals and non-metals, especially application and property type questions. So these are the page numbers from the chemical reaction. Page number 2, 7, 12 and 13, important. Now amongst this page number, what you need to remember, anything which is written in box like do you know, right? Second, in pictures like that Gandhiji pictures, right? Some common names, right? Washing soda, baking soda, plaster of Paris, and application, very important, applications. So we don't have to remember exact, what is corrosion, what is rancidity, how can you prevent rancidity, right? What is the pH value of saliva, this kind of application facts, right? These all are important for UPSC CDS exam. For acid base, this is most important chapter. आपने 2 बार पढ़ रखा है, फिर भी आप एक बार जाके इन पेज को जरूर देखें. 16, 20, 24, 26 to 33. Now for the metals, non-metal is 38 to 45. ये 29, ये जो पेज है 26 to 23, ये तो मैंडेटरी है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन द कंप्लीट बुक. इस पूरे बुक में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पेज यही 5 पेज है, राइट? 27 से लेकर 33 तक. मेटल्स, नॉन मेटल्स, दिस पार्ट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. 50 to 54. लास्ट में उन्होंने ना मेटलर्जी की चीजें दे रखी है, विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ओर्स एप्लीकेशन भी दे रखे हैं. कार्बन कंपाउंड्स, दिस वन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. यहाँ पे ग्रेफाइट डायमंड वाली बात है, एलेक्ट्रॉप्स की. यहाँ पे उनके कंपाउंड्स जैसे आपको मिलेंगे मिथानोइक एसिड, इथानोइक एसिड, इनके एप्लीकेशंस मिलेंगे, राइट? इथाइलिन ग्लाइकोल, इनके एप्लीकेशंस मिलेंगे जो आपको पढ़ना है. नेक्स्ट, पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन, साइंटिस्ट के नेम रिलेवेंट है ये, और ये पार्ट ट्रेंड्स है. ट्रेंड्स आप एक बार समझ जाएंगे तो रटने वाली कोई चीज नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, ये दोनों चैप्टर केमिस्ट्री के नहीं है, दिस आर जनरल, यू कैन से दैट एनवायरमेंटल साइंस, तो मैंने इसी में ऐड कर दिया. सो देयर आर 3 पेजेस इन आवर एनवायरमेंट. बड़ा ही बेसिक्स है, आप करें ना करें वैसे भी आता होगा, बट इसमें कुछ फैक्ट्स हैं, जैसे ओजोन के बारे में है, गोबर गैस, इन सब चीजों के बारे में. रिसोर्सेज 268, 270, 273 to 278. ना आप कहोगे ये देखने में बहुत पेज लग रहे हैं, नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इट्स अराउंड 32 पेज, करीब 32 के आसपास पेज हैं. द सेकेंड चीज, इनको पढ़ने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? इट विल हार्डली टेक, हार्डली, आई रिपीट, हार्डली इट विल टेक 40 मिनट्स. सो योर 40 मिनट्स ऑफ स्टडी, 10 मिनट्स ऑफ मेंटल रिकैप. आपने आंखें बंद करके सोचा कि क्या क्या है, मे बी शायद आप लिखे हो तो आप उसको देखना चाहते हो, बट दिस विल इंश्योर अ गारंटी ऑफ 2 to 4 क्वेश्चन, मे बी 3, मे बी 2, मे बी 4, दैट डिपेंड्स क्वेश्चन टू क्वेश्चन, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट केमिस्ट्री क्लास 10th important pages which I wanted to share with you. We'll come up with more videos related to series based on, let's suppose, the bio page numbers or maybe history. Alright, I feel that there are some page numbers of history which are quite relevant as well, जो आपको as a aspirant करना चाहिए if you want to boost up your score beyond 35. I cannot claim beyond 45 because that is very difficult to score in terms of CDS GS paper. I hope this session might be helpful for you. Thank you. All the best. Bye.